When it comes to crying, there are two ways to do it: the ugly way and the pretty way. If you're someone who cries often, it's possible to look pretty even while shedding tears. First, make sure to wear waterproof makeup if you know you'll be in a situation where crying is likely. Keep tissues handy to quickly wipe away any tears and avoid a snotty nose. If you don't have any clothing to hide under, you can use a magazine, book, or clutch bag to shield your eyes. Avoid rubbing your eyes, as this can make them red and puffy. Instead, let the tears flow down your cheeks and gently wipe them away. It's important to let your emotions out, especially for smaller reasons, to prevent redness and lasting effects. Remember to dab away any wetness with a tissue. Try not to make a face or scrunch up your face, as it can affect your attractiveness. Think positive thoughts, smile, and breathe deeply to relax. Purse your lips together and try to be quiet, taking slow and steady breaths. It's also helpful to giggle a bit, as it makes you look prettier and happier. If you can't help but make an ugly face and sob loudly, bury your face in your hands until you can calm down and continue on.